With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
We have question is that the position vector r vector of a particle of mass m is given by that is equation, that is r vector t, that is at cube I cap plus beta square j cap, where alpha is 10 upon 3 meter per second cube and beta is 5 meters per second square, and mass of is 0.1 kg at t equals to 1. Which of the following statements are true? And we have several statements. First is that the velocity v vector is given that v is equals to the 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. Second is that the angular momentum L vector with respect to origin is given by L vector is equals to the minus 5 by 3 k nms. And third is that the force F vector is given by I cap plus 2j cap Newton. And third is that fourth is that the torque tau vector with respect to the origin is given by minus 20 by 3. So which options are correct? So firstly we write down the position vector given that so we given that the position vector r vector t vector r of t, that is a t to the power 3 I cap plus beta t square j cap. So velocity of particle, because of velocity of particle that is v vector of t, that is equals to the dr vector t upon dt, means of that we differentiate with respect to t. So we get the value after the differentiate, that is 3 a t square I cap plus 2 beta t j cap, and we having the time that is t is equals to the 1. So we put the v vector t is equals to the 1 in which, so we get the value that is 3 into 10 by 3 into 1 square I cap plus 2 beta is 5 and t is 1 j cap. Okay, so we got the value that is 3 is cancelled with this, that is 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. So velocity is right according to this statement, so statement 1 is correct. Okay, and after we find out the position vector, that is t equals to the 1. Okay, so we find out the position vector t is equals to the 1. So t is equals to the 1, that means r vector t equals to the 1, that means 10 by 3 into r 1 cube I cap plus 5 1 square j cap. Okay, so we got the value that is 10 by 3 I cap plus 5j. We know the angular momentum that is L vector t is equals to 1. This is equals to the m r vector t equals to the 1 into v vector t equals to the 1. Okay, So we put the values, okay, all these values we put, and we got the answer, that is 0.1 bracket 100 by 3 k cap minus 50 k cap. So L vector at t equals to the 1, t is equals to the 1, that is minus 5 by 3 k vector nms. So angular momentum minus 5 by 3, so this option is also corrected. Okay, so we write down the next step. The acceleration of the particle, acceleration of the particle that is a vector t, this is equals to the differentiate v vector t with respect to t, and this is equals to the 6a t I cap plus 2 beta j cap. Okay, at t is equals to the 1, a vector t is equals to the 1, so we get the value, that is 6 into 10 by 3 into 1 I cap plus 2 into 5 j cap, and we got the value, that is 2I cap plus 10 j cap. And force on the particle, we find out force on the particle, that means F vector t equals to the 1 is equals to the m into a vector at t is equals to the 1. See, all these value we put, and the answer is that 2I cap plus j cap. So other options will be corrected for the force. And torque with respect to origin, origin, that is tau t is equals to the 1, that is r vector into f vector. So we put the value r vector and f vector, and we got the tau, that is equals to the minus 20 by 3 k vector. So nm. So this is an answer of question, and thank you for the watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.